What secrets does the red planet hold? Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has long captured our imagination. It's a focal point in the search for extraterrestrial life and human exploration. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the mysteries of Mars.
Mars, often called the Red Planet, is roughly half the size of Earth and sits about 141 million miles away from the Sun. Its atmosphere is composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with only trace amounts of oxygen and water vapor, making it incredibly thin compared to Earth's. The surface of Mars is marked by some of the most fascinating features in our solar system. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano, and Valles Marineris, a canyon system stretching over 2,000 miles, are just a couple of its remarkable landmarks. Mars has seasons, just like Earth, due to its axial tilt. However, the weather is far more extreme. Dust storms can engulf the entire planet, and temperatures can swing drastically, from a balmy 70 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to -100 at night. Our fascination with Mars isn't new. Ancient astronomers were the first to observe this reddish dot in the sky, charting its movements and speculating about its nature. Fast forward to the modern era, and we've sent a fleet of robotic missions to Mars. The Viking missions in the 1970s were the first to land successfully, followed by Pathfinder and its Sojourner rover in the 90s. Then came the twin rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, which vastly expanded our knowledge of the Martian surface. Curiosity, landing in 2012, and Perseverance, which touched down in 2021, continue to explore and send back invaluable data. Looking ahead, future missions are even more ambitious. The Mars Sample Return mission aims to bring Martian soil back to Earth, and the Ingenuity helicopter is testing powered flight on another planet for the first time.
One of the most compelling aspects of Mars exploration is the search for life. We found evidence of ancient riverbeds and polar ice caps, suggesting that Mars once had liquid water flowing on its surface. Today, the conditions on Mars are harsh, but not necessarily uninhabitable. On Earth, extremophiles thrive in the most inhospitable environments, raising the possibility that similar life forms could exist on Mars. The detection of methane in the Martian atmosphere has been particularly intriguing. Methane can be produced by geological processes, but it can also be a sign of biological activity. This mystery keeps scientists eagerly searching for definitive answers about the potential for life on Mars.
Mars moons, Phobos and Deimos, 4 to 5 minutes. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Mars' two moons, Phobos and Deimos. These small, irregularly shaped bodies orbit Mars at close distances, with Phobos being the larger of the two. Phobos measures about 22 kilometers in diameter, while Deimos is roughly 12 kilometers across. Both moons have a somewhat lumpy appearance, resembling asteroids more than the spherical moons we often think of. There are a couple of intriguing theories about their origins. One idea is that they are captured asteroids, pulled into Mars's orbit long ago. Another theory suggests they could be remnants from the planet's formation, possibly pieces of Mars itself that were ejected into space. Now, when it comes to exploration, these moons offer some exciting possibilities. Imagine using Phobos and Deimos as way stations for missions venturing deeper into space. They could serve as refueling points or even as bases for scientific research. The potential for exploration is truly vast, and who knows, perhaps one day we'll see human outposts on these moons, paving the way for even more ambitious journeys into the cosmos.
As we continue to explore Mars and its moons, each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. The journey is just beginning.
Mars in culture and media. Mars has fascinated humanity for centuries, deeply influencing our literature and art. Authors like H.G. Wells, with his classic The War of the Worlds, have used Mars as a canvas to explore themes of invasion and human resilience. When it comes to movies and games, Mars has been a popular setting, capturing our imagination with films like The Martian and Total Recall. These stories bring the red planet to life, making it feel both familiar and mysterious. These cultural representations shape our perception of Mars, making it a symbol of adventure, danger, and the unknown. They inspire not just our curiosity, but also our desire to explore and understand this distant world.
Colonization prospects. Living on Mars presents significant challenges, including high radiation levels, low atmospheric pressure, and extreme temperatures. These factors make survival on the red planet a complex puzzle to solve. Fortunately, technological innovations are paving the way for human colonization. From advanced habitats to sophisticated life support systems, scientists and engineers are developing the tools we need to live and thrive on Mars. SpaceX, spearheaded by Elon Musk, is at the forefront of this effort. With the ambitious Starship project, Musk envisions a future where humans can establish a sustainable presence on Mars, turning science fiction into reality.
Mysteries and unsolved questions. Mars climate history is one of the planet's most intriguing mysteries. Scientists are working to understand how Mars transitioned from a wet environment to the dry, arid landscape we see today. There are also unexplained features on Mars that continue to baffle researchers, such as the recurring slope lineae. These dark streaks appear seasonally, and their origin remains a topic of intense study. And then there's the search for alien technology. While we haven't found definitive evidence yet, the quest to discover signs of advanced civilizations on Mars drives many of our explorations and keeps the mystery alive.
Conclusion. We've journeyed through the fascinating aspects of Mars, from its cultural impact to the challenges and innovations of colonization, and the enduring mysteries that keep us searching. The future of Mars exploration is incredibly exciting, with new missions and discoveries on the horizon that promise to deepen our understanding of the red planet. So if you're as captivated by Mars as we are, don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates on this extraordinary journey into space. The adventure is just beginning.